Here's another message from Kablaarg Health and Safety Division. It's flu season again, and here's what we recommend.
When you're sniffling and you're sneezing, and you're miserable for no reason, it's time to grab a beverage. Gargle balls.
Yes, grab Kablaarg's hopefully patented anti-cough balls when you're coughing. Open our Fresh Saver resealable pouch and pull out 2 balls. Wash them down with any beverage, especially booze.
When you're sick and feeling pukey, and your nose is full of muky, it's time to grab a beverage. Gargle balls. Got runs and the shakes? Gargle balls, for goodness sakes. Don't be shy. Now's the time. Gargle balls.
Yeah, it is that easy. Just like that guy said. Gargle balls. Kablaarg.
Kablaarg hopefully patented anti-cough balls is a product of Kablaarg International. Gargling balls is not FDA approved to cure sickness and is a possible choking hazard. For age 18 and up, gargle balls responsibly.